leave for college in like 2 days, and I've been monitoring the weather over there. It looks like it's gonna reach like negative, and I want to like get some stuff for like the cold. So right now I'm in the car with my sister, and we're going to Target to get some stuff. I'll just see you guys when I'm there. So I'm at Target right now. I'm currently in the clothes sections because I want like some scarves since it's like really cold in Kentucky right now. Hopefully I find some because in Florida it's not really cold right now, so I don't think they might have scarves. We're gonna see. So I see like they have some really pretty socks, so I think I'm gonna get some. I need some like stuff for like the cold and I'm not finding any.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Who why? Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Don't just free the why. Who why? Tell a bitch who why. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Juba. Hating bitches walk like Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I school her. Try to hit them in my Juba.
Inspiration. But y'all, it's so pretty out here, and look at the sunset. It's a vibe. You know, the sheets gotta be pink because my sister, you know, pink hat, pink everything, pink life. Pink lives matter. Okay, girl, all the colors life matter, but hey. Now, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to like get pictures done. But yeah, I don't even know where my phone is. Actually, I do remember now. But yeah, cutesy, the mirror, everything, live. Start college in like 2-3 days, so like we gotta be outside for a little minute. So yeah. Okay, I'm done for today, guys. I'm about to go eat the food that we bought and enjoy life. And exactly what she's doing over there. Yeah, I'm about to do that too. Good morning. So today's the day where I fly back to Kentucky and I go back on campus, sadly. So yeah, but today when I looked at my email, I got a notification saying like showing me my ticket and stuff, what time I leave and everything like that, and it says that the plane is departing at 4, and I thought the plane was gonna depart at like 9 p.m. So I literally jumped out the bed and packed my carry-on, my bag. I have everything packed now. I'm trying to like review my room to make sure I'm not leaving anything that I need in here. I definitely took my graphing calculator because last semester I had to use my friend's for the whole semester because I had left mine here. Yeah, not making that mistake again. See you guys when I'm like leaving because I leave in an hour. So right now I'm just gonna like review everything to make sure I have everything. But yeah.
Sick and brave, but sometimes give it dick. Girl, we drop it money like click. Be the heartbeat of my heart though. My heart, you got the body so sick and brave, but sometimes give it dick. Girl, we drop it money like click. Be the heartbeat of my heart though. My heart, your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One fuck down, homie, we gotta go twice.
I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains.
Okay guys, we're back. I made it safe. I'm tired, I'm dehydrated, I'm everything that's wrong in the book right now. Y'all, it is cold outside, y'all. And me with like a hoodie. It's a mess. But I'm waiting for Uber now. It's like about 3 hours for my birthday. I'm excited. I'm currently freezing, so I'll talk to you guys after I get like to the dorm or something. But yeah, I'm finally here. I'm tired. I need to go grocery shopping because it's gonna be a storm here tomorrow. So I want to make sure like I have everything that I need in case like we're all locked down and stuff like that. And I'm also not excited for the storm because it's gonna be my birthday, which means everything that I had planned for my birthday is gonna be canceled. So I'm really not excited for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and see my friend. She's in her room right now, and I'll see you guys when I'm more settled down because I really want to shower and unpack my bag and everything. So I'll see you guys when things are in a better setting because right now everything is all over the place.
Not gonna lie, I don't know where I'm going. So you look so cute.
Oh, thank you, y'all. My friend loves me.
Or an Alani, like I went the
Hey.
I stopped telling you when I was tongue tied. I put my glasses by all my other stuff to take with me here. And guess what?
Yeah.
I didn't bring it.
Oh.
Do you use milk for anything else?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
How much are you planning on making coffee?
A lot.
A lot?
I need
So a lot
caffeine.
of coffee? Are you gonna eat cereal every day?
No.
That's right. Get the latest that you can find. Hey. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
That's enough embarrassment for sis. Hey guys, so my friend had gifted me my birthday gifts because tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm just gonna show you guys the gifts because I think the gifts are really thoughtful. First, this is like LED lights that I ordered for my room, so I'm gonna put them up today. She got me this little tiny froggy plushie thing. If you know me, you know I love green, and yeah, and I love frogs, so yeah, it fits right into the theme. So she got me this body wash that is really, really pretty, and it smells so good. And I'm giving them a haul of my birthday gift.
Huh?
I'm giving them a haul of my birthday gifts. And this little shit, I mean not little shit. You see, I'm tired. Oh, this tablet. This body wash, and it matched my sweater, and I love green, and it smells so good. A bunch of different gummies that I'm gonna go eat down tonight. I have this lip color changing oil, lip gloss. It changed color based on your pH, so I'm excited to see what color my lips are when I put this on. Part of my first day outfit for school. This sweatbands. I love brown and like earthy colors. I wear brown a lot and green and earthy stuff. This will fit right in. I'm saying it will literally go so good with it. Yeah. So yeah, but I'm done talking to you guys for today because I have to shower and still unpack my bag that's like laying down lonely over there. But yeah, later. Bye.